Hello friends, so in this video we are going to solve this question using PySpark. Okay, so we need to find the best selling item of the each month. Okay, the best selling item is determined by the highest total sale amount of the particular month. Okay, so we need to use this formula to calculate the total paid. Total paid amount is equal to unit price multiply quantity. Okay, and here we need the three column: month column, description column, and the total amount paid. Okay, so let me show you the output how it is looking like. So this is the input data: invoice date, description, quantity, and price. Okay, and this column I have created the total paid amount. Okay, applying this formula. Okay, so what you can see here, you can see in Jan month we have the three record. Okay, you can see that's why you can see in 25 plus 50 total is 75, and this Feb month we have this particular 150 150, and March month we have 120. Okay, so we need the output like this. Okay, so here we are using the Databricks to solve this question. Okay, this is the Spark. Here we have imported the three libraries. First is the Spark session. Whenever you're working with a PySpark, you need to import this library, and this is a function. Here we are using some date function to convert the date. That's why we have imported here function, and we have imported the window function also. Like window function, here we are using some aggregate or group by or some ranking function. That's why we have imported this window function, and this is the command we need to use to create the spark session dot builder dot app name. Here you can give the any name. I have given the best selling item or get or create. Okay, so this is the sample data we are using in this exercise. Okay, so we have given the name as a data, and here we created a schema, invoice date here. And also one more thing, here you can use any of the data source. For example, if you are extracting the data directly from the SQL, so you can use the SQL, or if you are extracting the data from the some file, CSV file or Excel file, you can directly use this also. In this exercise I am using the sample data, that's why I have added like this here. Okay, so this is the schema definition. Okay, same like what we have in the file in Excel file. Okay, this column I have added manually just for the showing purpose. And here what we are doing, first thing we are creating the data frame. Okay, here we created this variable online retail spark dot create data frame. Okay, so here we are using this data column, and data and column is variable. This variable is coming through here directly. Okay, that's why we are using is combining both the output in this particular variable, and just we are converting this invoice date into timestamp, because here you can see we are defining the raw schema. That's why we are just converting this date column using this timestamp function. And just here we are adding this particular total paid column. This is a new column we are adding. Okay, so whatever the formula we have used here, so same formula we are applying here also. Okay, with column, this is a syntax we need to use whenever we are using any of the column. Okay, so this is the default column function we need to use. And just we are creating the total paid column, so that's why we have used total paid, and this unit price divided into quantity. Okay, same way we have applied here now, like this way. Okay, so same way we are applying here also. Extract from the invoice. Next what we are doing, just we are converting the invoice date into the month. Okay, we need the number, that's why we are converting like in the number in the form of 1 2 3 like that. Okay, so here you can see with the column we are using here month. Okay, this is coming through directly from the above variable. This is a invoice date. Okay, so just it will convert in the form of 1 2 3 number like that. Whatever the month is there, it will convert in the form of number. Okay, just next thing what we are doing, just we are aggregating the total sale per month and description. Okay, so here what we are doing, just we created this variable total monthly sale. Okay, just this variable is coming through here directly df. Okay, and just we are grouping this three column, sorry, two column, this month and description, because we need to, based on this we need to aggregate this particular total paid. Okay, so you can see, just we are aggregating, just summing this total paid amount, and just we have given the alias total paid. Okay, and next thing what we are doing, just we are partitioning this particular month, because we need to show the output in the based on the month. Okay, like whatever the particular month partition, just that's why we are creating this partition. This is a partition function is comes under window function only. Just we are partitioning in the month order by, you can see, just we are descending this particular total paid column based on the month. Okay, and next thing what we are doing, just we are getting the best selling item per month. Okay, like whatever the total top selling item, just we are using the month function here. This here we created this variable best selling monthly sale. Monthly sale is coming through directly here. Here we aggregated this particular variable, just we are using with column, and this is the ranking function. In SQL we are using the same ranking function. Here we have used the rank function. Okay, here is the different types of rank function, like dance rank and the row number, because in this case particularly we are using rank because we need the first record only. Okay, for the particular month wise, so that's why we are using here rank function, and this window function is coming through here, this variable, because we have partitioned this particular thing, that's why we are using here. And just we are filtering the rank column, this is the one. Okay, we need the only first record of the particular month. Okay, and here just we are selecting the particular column like a month, description, and the total paid. These three column we need. Okay, based on this requirement, month, description, and the total paid, that's why we are using this particular three column. And just we are displaying the column, like what is the output. Let me run this output, what is getting here. Okay, you can see this month, this is the January month. You can see red mug is 75, and Feb month 150, and March month you can see 120. Okay, same output we have also matched here. Look, you can see in Jan month you can see this this particular highlighted record 25 plus 5 50 75, and in the Feb month you can see this description is different, so that's why we are considering this particular highest number 150. In March month also you can see this is a uh, this particular is a high, that's why we are considering this. Okay, hope you understand this video. uh, I will put the steps also in the description, you can copy there also. So I would suggest you something, if you are beginner, or if you are learning this particular PySpark and uh, Python, so in the basic you can refer this website w3.com with the Python. So it will cover your all the basic concept of the Python. And this PySpark you can use here also. You can follow this document PySpark on the Databricks. In these things, this is the official Databricks website, you can learn there also, like what is the data frame. In our case also we have used the data frame, and data processing we have used the different transformation. So all these things you will get here. Hope you like the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.